Hey guys, CBI Prinzo here, and today we're going to be showing you how to install your brand new ditch light brackets on the 3rd gen Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is going to be a pretty simple one. We're not going to have a lot of extra parts or pieces. Basically what's going to come in the box, you're going to get your driver and your passenger side ditch light brackets. You're going to want to be sure that the flanges stick out on the side there. That's how they're oriented. The only thing you're going to need here is a ratchet and a 13mm socket. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's take a look at the driver's side first. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. The only thing that we're gonna wanna do is remove these nuts here off of the hood mount. You're gonna slap your ditch light bracket right over top of those with these corresponding holes here. And then you're gonna cinch those nuts back down, and that's about it. So let's do it. Alrighty guys, so that's it. We've got both of our ditch light brackets installed on the driver and the passenger side. Here really quick, we're gonna throw on our Baja LP4s on here, or you can install whatever light of whatever size you want. But that's about it. Guys, if you have any questions or concerns, we're gonna be providing written instructions on the website as well. So if you get lost, you can just refer to that. Thanks again for watching guys, we really appreciate it. See you on the trails.